Hey, bud. Hawk smash. What's up, guys? All right, I got the Hawk pulled outside and got a little bit of an interesting experiment to do today. Let's smash some stuff.
With my crusher.
And you got your gator with your crusher? All right, let's smash some stuff.
Me too. I'm gonna smash stuff too.
All right, bud. All right, guys, so if you remember or if you've seen the video a few months ago, once I got the air ride going on the Hawk, I lined up like 5 pop cans in front of it, in front of the bumper, and smashed it. And it got me thinking, how many pop cans does it take to hold up a truck? So over the last few months, I've been saving up a ton of pop cans, and we're gonna test that theory out. Got a bunch of Pepsi cans. No, we're not sponsored by Pepsi, but I do love my Pepsi and I drink a lot of it. So let's see what one of these holds. I'm about 130 pounds. So see if this holds me up. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna try and step on this pop can here. Oh, try and balance myself on this garage door. Okay, let me let go here, see if I can hold my balance. Oh!
Yeah, Dad, you crushed it.
I did crush it. Go here, see if I can hold my balance. Oh!
Yeah, Dad, you crushed it.
I did crush it. It pretty much held most of my weight, probably about 120, 125 pounds. I think I actually got off balance, which is what got it to crush. So I got like 2 garbage bags full, and I'm gonna start putting them under the truck and see how many it takes. All right, I got the pop cans, and I can already tell you right now, with this little bit of a breeze that I got going on right now, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. I was setting some up just for the thumbnail, and the wind was just blowing them all over the place. So this could prove to be nearly impossible, but I'm gonna give it a shot. All right, so I'm on the passenger side now, and I got a little bit of a plan worked out. It's different than what I originally wanted to do, but that's kind of how things roll. I originally wanted to go into the frame, but it's just proving to be too difficult. So I'm going into the body in hopes I don't mess anything up. You can see on the other side, I got that deck board. They're all sitting there. I haven't counted that side yet, but I'll count it before I crush. And yeah, I also got a piece of wood over there blocking the wind. They should stay because I've been folding up the pop tabs to kind of add a little bit of pressure where they're not touching the board all the way. So we'll see. All right, let me finish up this side, and then maybe I'll do someone in the front bumper if I got enough wood to make everything equal, because there's definitely gonna be more weight up front. So, and yeah, before I crush, we'll see how many we got. All right, so I gotta move quick because the wind's trying to pick up on me. I got, I think, 96 cans. So if I do my math right, even if it holds 100 pounds, that should be 9,600 pounds. So this should more than hold the truck up. So I'm gonna let the air out of it and see how it works. Where'd you come from? All right, here we go. I'll let it nothing. Yeah, but we're kind of holding them too. All right, all the weight is, yeah, so we started crushing in the back. But we started crushing in the back. The front's completely supported. You can still hear them crackling. As you can see, those valves are completely open. I think I might start hitting a couple cans and seeing if we can't get it to just fall. Like this. Oh. 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 Okay, hey, hit some of these over here.
This one?
Yep. Stay back though, because it is going to fall at some point. So you want to hit some? Hit the orange one. Oh, that one wasn't doing anything. Oh, don't hit Bubba, don't hit Bubba, hold on. Hey, keep your hand back. Here, come over here. Hey, don't put your hands underneath. Come over here. Oh. Here, come over here. Hey, don't put your hands underneath. Come over here. Oh. Hey, come over here, Nam.
Hey, Daddy,
Oh.
it keeps crashing.
Hey, let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other side. Oh.
It crushed all of them.
You crushed all those cans at one time?
Yeah, one time.
Is that pretty cool? I think you got it, guys. All right, so 96 pop cans will hold up a truck. And we pretty much had the whole front crushed and it was still holding a good majority of the weight. So yeah, I was hoping to, be a little bit more scientific with it and kind of slowly crush some more cans to see what would, what the final number was that held the truck up, but things just didn't quite go to plan. That's okay. You crushed all of them at the same time?
Yeah.
All right, here. Now we got a big mess to clean up. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, bud, you want to crush some cans with the truck?
Yeah.
All right, here. Let's hop in. Let me get you set up. That, okay? So push them all that way, all right? Yep, when I say. And start with the one closest to you and then work over. All right, bud. Go ahead. All of them. Do them all. Do the back one too. Do all of them. Open all the valves. You crushed the pop cans, bud.
Huh? Wow, Dad, I crushed them pretty well.
You did crush them pretty well. You want to do it one more time?
Yeah.
Hey, bud. Hawk smash.
Dad, I could do it really fast.
You did. You did it really good, bud.
Yeah.
I'm all out of pop cans.
Huh?
What did you say?
Dad, I could crush them on that.
Yeah, you want to do more?
No.
You crushed all my pop cans, bud. Hey, you want to crush them with your gator?
Yeah.
All right, hold on.
Dad, I have my truck pulled into the garage so I could crush a lot of pumpkins. Well, I'll see you later.
You ready to crush them? Hold on.
Yeah.
All right, go to your truck. Okay, wait till I say it. All right, bud, go for it. Back up.
Some more.
Back up. Turn towards me and go forward. Go forwards.
Huh?
Go forward. Back up. Turn the other way. There you go. Oh, you're stuck.
Huh?
You're stuck. Go forwards. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed our little experiment we had going with the hawk and doing a little bit of a hawk smash. Just a fun little video that I had in my mind to do. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop any questions or comments down below. If you haven't yet, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe. We're almost at, I think, 1,700. I really want to hit 2,000 by the end of the year. Not sure that's going to happen. But if a lot of you guys start subscribing, I know who you are. I know that a lot of you guys aren't subscribed that are watching. I'd appreciate it if you would. So guys, tune in next time and get out in your garage, work on your stuff.